Hey everyone, ready for a deep dive into AI business? Today we're going to be looking at businesses you can start like right now using AI.
Sounds exciting.
Our main source is this Forbes article. It's called 5 Profitable AI Businesses You Can Start Today.
Catchy title.
And to help us break it all down, we have
I can jump in there.
Oh yeah, please.
Les Lins, founder of Inside.ai, was featured.
That's right, Inside.ai. They help businesses implement AI solutions.
Exactly.
Perfect. So the article jumps right into these 5 AI business models.
It's fascinating, isn't it, to see how AI is going from, niche to something every business needs.
Yeah, definitely. Businesses are definitely trying to adapt.
Scrambling, even.
So let's unpack these 5 AI business ideas. First up, AI automation agencies.
Ooh, automation agency.
What does that even mean?
Well, an AI automation agency basically helps companies streamline operations.
Yeah.
Using AI, of course.
So like what kind of stuff are we talking about here?
Imagine a business, right?
Yeah.
Struggling with, let's say, repetitive tasks.
Makes sense.
Data entry, scheduling, basic customer service. An AI automation agency comes in, uses AI tools, and boom, automates those processes, saves time and money.
Increased efficiency.
Productivity.
So who are these agencies targeting? Like what kind of businesses need this kind of help?
Oh, tons. Anyone who's feeling bogged down, right?
Yeah.
But I'd say small to mid-sized businesses are a sweet spot. They often don't have the resources,
To implement AI on their own.
Exactly.
Okay, so think about this, right? You could build a website, develop a brand, market your services to these businesses.
You could even use some of the same AI tools we're talking about to market your business.
Exactly. And you know what? Dreamsoft Technologies Canada.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of them.
They could help with all that. Website, SEO, landing pages, you name it.
Pretty much a one-stop shop for getting your agency online.
Exactly. All right, moving on. AI marketing services.
Oh, this is a big one.
How is AI shaking things up in the marketing world?
It's all about, it's about precision, personalization.
Yeah.
AI can analyze like mountains of data, create those hyper-targeted campaigns.
So instead of seeing generic ads, I'm only seeing ads for stuff I actually want.
You got it.
Right.
AI can predict what you're going to do, personalize your experience, and deliver the right message. At the right time, of course.
So it's like having a marketing team that never sleeps, constantly analyzing data.
Exactly.
Tweaking campaigns.
That's AI marketing. And it's a huge opportunity. Anyone with marketing expertise can leverage these tools.
So you could focus on a specific niche, like e-commerce or healthcare.
You could.
And again, having a strong online presence. Critical.
Absolutely. Got to have a website.
And Dreamsoft Technologies Canada could help with that too. They can build you a website, write content, even set up email marketing campaigns.
It's amazing what they can do.
On to our third AI business idea. AI chatbots.
Chatbots. Everyone's seen them, right?
Oh yeah, we've all encountered them.
Some helpful, some,
less helpful.
Exactly. But what's the business angle?
Yeah, what is it?
It's 24/7 customer service.
Okay, that makes sense.
AI chatbots can handle those, routine questions, the basic requests.
So human agents can focus on the complex stuff.
You got it.
Businesses save money on staffing costs. Customers get instant support. Win-win.
Think about a travel agency or an e-commerce store. High volume of inquiries, right?
Yeah, definitely.
A good chatbot handles those basic questions, improves customer satisfaction.
So if you're, tech savvy, you could develop these chatbots.
You could offer those services tailored to specific industries. Partner with someone like, you guessed it, Dreamsoft Technologies Canada.
For a professional website.
To showcase that expertise, generate leads, build your business.
They really do it all.
Here.
Okay, next business idea. This one's interesting. AI content creation.
Oh yeah, content creation.
What exactly is happening here?
Imagine businesses, right? Churning out blog posts, marketing copy, social media updates, all powered by AI.
Wait, so AI can actually write now?
It can. It's getting really good too.
Wow.
Tools like ChatGPT and Claude, they can generate some surprisingly human-like content.
Is it good enough to replace human writers, though?
It's getting there, but it still needs a human touch,
Yeah.
Editing, oversight.
Makes sense.
But for businesses that need a lot of content fast, it's a game changer.
So someone with good writing skills, they could offer AI-powered content creation services.
Exactly. Learn the tools, build a portfolio, start pitching.
Yeah.
They could even partner with you-know-who for a website.
Dreamsoft Technologies Canada.
You got it. Showcase your work online. It's essential.
Okay, last but not least, the most ambitious model on the list. Launching an AI SaaS company.
Now we're talking.
What does that even entail?
SaaS stands for software as a service. So basically, you're creating your own AI-powered software. Businesses subscribe to it. Could be anything. A data analysis tool, a workflow automation platform.
It sounds complicated.
It can be.
Yeah.
But the key is recurring revenue, scalability.
So you need serious technical skills for this one.
You do. But the rewards, huge. If you can build a valuable tool that solves a real need. Global reach,
Okay, so if you're a developer, have that tech background, maybe this is the model for you. And of course, you'd need a website.
Naturally.
To showcase that product. Dreamsoft Technologies Canada could help with that. They could design a website that highlights all the features, captures leads, helps build the business.
A crucial part of the process.
So we've looked at these 5 exciting AI business models.
From automation agencies to SaaS companies, what does it all mean?
What's the takeaway for our listeners?
AI is transforming the business world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, a writer, or a developer, there are so many opportunities to use AI, create successful businesses. It's exciting.
So we've talked about the potential, but what about some of the challenges? What might people face if they, jump into the AI business world?
Well, one of the biggest hurdles, I'd say, is data.
Data?
Yeah, AI algorithms, they need tons of data to train, to function properly.
So where do you even get that data?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Some businesses, they generate their own data. Customer interactions, internal processes.
Makes sense.
Others rely on public data sets, or they partner with data providers.
It's about finding the right data for your needs.
Exactly. And of course, data privacy. Huge. Security, too.
Right. You can't just use anyone's data without their consent.
Exactly. Transparency is key. And compliance. Got to follow all those regulations.
It sounds like a bit of a legal minefield.
It can be. The laws around AI, they're changing all the time.
So businesses really need to stay informed.
Stay informed, operate responsibly.
Oh.
Absolutely.
Another challenge I can think of is, skills.
Skills, yeah.
You need those specialized skills like machine learning, data science, software development to really build and run an AI business.
It's a big one. Finding the right people, tough. Keeping them even tougher, especially for startups.
So it's not just about the tech itself.
No, you need that business sense. You need to understand the legal stuff, the ethical stuff, and you need to know how to build a great team.
Attract those talented people.
Exactly. And let's not forget about continuous learning.
Continuous learning.
AI is always changing, right? You snooze, you lose. Got to stay ahead of the curve.
So how do you avoid becoming, obsolete in this fast-paced environment?
Embrace lifelong learning.
Lifelong learning. Okay.
You got to stay on top of the trends, try out new tools.
Constantly learning new things.
Exactly.
Are there resources for this? Communities?
Tons. Online courses, conferences, online communities. They can provide so much insight, connect you with the right people.
Networking is key, I guess.
Oh, it's huge. Sharing knowledge, working on projects together, learning from each other. That's how you grow.
Okay, so we've covered challenges, ethics, learning. What about funding?
Funding. The lifeblood of any startup. AI businesses are no different.
So what are the options?
Venture capitalists, they're investing more and more in AI, but it's competitive. There are also government grants, incubator programs.
So you need a good business plan to attract these investors.
Oh, absolutely. A strong team, too. Investors want to see that vision, a solid strategy, and the people to execute it.
And a professional website probably helps, too.
It does. A well-designed website. It shows you're serious. It showcases your product, your team, your vision. Makes that first impression,
So even with a groundbreaking AI product, you still need those core business elements.
You do. You really do.
What would you say to someone who's, feeling a bit overwhelmed by all this?
Starting any business is tough. And AI businesses, they come with their own unique challenges. But don't get discouraged. If you're passionate about AI and you have a great idea, go for it.
Let's take it one step at a time.
One step at a time, exactly. Start with research. Learn about the tools, the technologies. Find your niche. Develop a basic product, a minimum viable product. Don't try to build everything at once.
It's a learning process.
It is. And remember, you're not alone. There are resources out there, communities, even companies like,
DreamSoft Technologies Canada.
you got it. They can help with everything. Building your website, creating a marketing strategy, even writing content. They can help you attract those first clients.
So even if you're not a tech expert, you can still get started with AI.
Absolutely. This AI revolution, it's not just about technical skills. It's about creativity,
Wow.
problem solving, and that human drive to make things better.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back to the AI Deep Dive. We've looked at the potential, the challenges, the resources, but now I kind of want to shift gears a bit.
Okay, sure.
We've been talking about, all the amazing things AI can do, but what about us?
Yes.
Yeah, like in a world where AI is handling more and more tasks, what are the human skills, the ones that will be like even more valuable?
That's a great question. It's easy to focus on the tech, right?
Yeah.
But in the end, it's humans, it's human ingenuity that'll really drive success, in this AI era.
So we're not like becoming obsolete.
Not at all. Think critical thinking, creativity, problem solving,
Okay, yeah.
emotional intelligence. These are going to be more important than ever.
It makes sense. AI might be able to do the tasks, but it's still us humans setting the goals, interpreting the results, making the big decisions.
Exactly. And don't forget adaptability, continuous learning.
Oh yeah, we talked about that.
AI is always changing, right?
Yeah.
I gotta keep learning, gotta adapt to those changes. That's critical.
So like we all need to become lifelong learners.
I think so, yeah. We gotta constantly be upgrading our knowledge, our skills, staying ahead of that AI curve,
That's kind of exciting though, isn't it?
It is. Think about it. Learning isn't just in the classroom anymore. It's part of life. It's part of work. It's continuous.
Now, I want to circle back to something we mentioned earlier.
Okay.
AI for social good. This is where things get really, inspiring.
It is. Think about it. Using AI for personalized education to optimize healthcare, create sustainable energy, maybe even predict and prevent natural disasters.
Wow.
The potential, it's huge. It's mind-blowing.
So it's not just about like solving these big problems.
Right.
It could be smaller things too, right?
Exactly. It could be let's say an AI app that helps people with disabilities navigate cities,
Okay.
or maybe a chatbot to provide, mental health support for those who need it.
That's amazing. So AI can really be a force for good.
It can, and it's up to us, the entrepreneurs, the developers, everyone who's working with AI.
You make sure it's used responsibly.
Exactly, ethically,
Yeah.
for the benefit of, for everyone.
Okay, so to wrap things up, what's the one key message, the thing you want our listener to take away from all of this?
I'd say the AI revolution, it's here. And it's not just about technology, it's about people. Using AI to solve real problems, creating value, making the world, a better place.
And it's about, like you said, embracing those human skills, the critical thinking, the creativity, the adaptability, that passion for learning.
Exactly. If you're ready to dive into AI, don't be afraid. Dream big, experiment, collaborate.
And you don't have to do it alone.
Right. There are resources out there, communities, and companies, like we've mentioned, that can help. They can help you build a website, create a marketing plan, even design a logo.
So go out there, explore the possibilities, make your mark on the AI-powered future. That's a wrap for our AI Business Deep Dive. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. It's been fun.
We hope you feel inspired, ready to, take on the world. And remember, the future is what we make it.